फ्रेंड्स, अभी मैं स्टोरी रीडिंग करूँगा। वंस अपॉन ए टाइम ए वाइस जैकल एंड ए काइंड camel lived in a jungle. They had great fun together and were the closest of friends. The camel was good-hearted, but the jackal was renowned for his rudeness. One bright day, the jackal came up with an idea. Hey, my friend, I know of a field full of delicious sugarcane on the other side of a wide river, he said to the camel. I'll show you the route if you carry me on your back, and then we can have a delicious dinner together, the jackal added. The jackal didn't know how to swim, so he needed the camel's help. The good-natured camel agreed to help since he trusted his friend. The camel carried the jackal on his back as he gently entered the river. They crossed the river together to reach the sugarcane field. The sugarcane were so delicious that they ate them without wasting a minute. Just then something odd occurred. While camel was peacefully chewing on the sugarcane, the jackal suddenly began to howl loudly. The camel requested the jackal to stay quiet because he was frightened. The camel was worried that the owner of the sugarcane field, the farmer, would hear the chaos and became furious. The jackal said, "It is my habit to howl after having a satisfying meal." And he kept on howling even louder. The farmer was alerted by the howling and took a large stick. He angrily grabbed the camel and gave him a terrible thrashing. On the other hand, the jackal fled immediately. Finally, the farmer went away and the jackal emerged from his hiding place. The camel once more had the jackal on his back as they began their return trip. But this time the camel was prepared to give the jackal a lesson. As they reached the middle of the river, the camel started to roll in the water. In a fit of rage, the jackal yelled, "What are you doing?" "I am drowning," the camel said. "I'm sorry, but I can't help it," grinning mischievously. "After having a satisfying meal, I always roll in deep water." The clever jackal, who felt he was shrewd, splashed down into the deep river. That day he discovered the value of being honest, and not deceiving one's friends. Moral honesty and true friendship are more valuable than clever tricks.